welcome back, everybody. Welcome back to our channel. It's Paul with the Carroll family. Got JT, Jasmine, April's videotaping. Well, today we're gonna do another unboxing of our Yum Yum box.
Yay!
Our big Yum Yum. All right. Looks like this month of May, we're gonna go to Turkey. Gobble gobble gobble.
Gobble, gobble, gobble.
Yeah, we're gonna go visit the country of Turkey and see what type of snacks we got.
Daddy, and this is a sticker.
Yeah, that's the sticker it comes with. And then our book, which I'll give this to April so she can kind of go with the flow.
First.
Let me lay out some of these snacks. It looks like.
Okay, here are what we got in the box.
Looks like a bunch of gummies and nuts.
Ah.
It looks like what I'm seeing. Not a lot of chocolate stuff.
Good.
So,
All right, so we're gonna start at the Baharat Spice Cracker Chips. Cracker chips.
That's what this is.
Yep. Was it that? Is it?
Yeah.
Is that one? Okay.
Looks like
Baharat.
taco, something
Looks
taco.
like garlicky. Ew. Okay.
You're gonna
No,
eat
we
that.
will try it first. We will try it.
Potato chips. Most of the time, their potato chips are good. Smells pretty good.
Give one.
Just take a bite. Take a bite. And mommy.
Yeah, just have.
Oh my god.
All right, you ready?
Ready?
1,
2,
2, 3.
3. You know what it tastes like?
I don't want you.
Like a pizza flavored
Yeah.
chip.
Mhm.
No, you eat it.
Eat it. Come on. Take a bite.
But this
How is it, Kuya?
don't eat.
It's okay. Oh, okay. It's like you like it, no, you like it, no. Okay.
Yeah, put it on.
All right.
You eating it?
The chip. I don't want
Here, then put it in.
it.
Next would be Tahini Halva. Ooh, I wonder what is this. It's like a turkey crumbly sesame sugar tradition. Okay.
It's supposed to be vanilla flavor. It says
Okay.
vanilla, so
Vanilla Tahini Halva.
I can't shake mine because it might feel.
it's
I
soft.
shake mine. It's the top.
Alright.
Oh my god, see, it needs to
Really?
go down.
Oh.
You see the apple juice? Look at the
You need the, you don't have a fork or
I can use a fork.
And you mix it. And
JT, give me a plate so I can cut things up easy.
All right.
Can I milk?
I want small one.
I want
So
milk.
cut that one that you just cut.
I want double milk.
Duper duper mo. Super small.
Alright.
Small one.
JT, Jasmine.
Thank you.
Mommy.
Oh, it looks like pulveron.
Mhm.
See? Looks like pulveron.
So, alright, ready? 1, 2, 3.
It tastes like sand.
Yeah, no, yeah. True, it tastes like sand.
It's okay. I mean,
It's okay.
It's like
it almost has a peanut butter flavor.
Yeah.
Eat it. Just put it in your mouth and
How's it? It's okay.
yeah, it's
I
okay.
don't want it.
JT is right. It likes the sand.
It's very dry, but it's like
Yeah.
it has a peanut butter flavor. I'll put it on.
I like nothing.
Next is this probably Jasmine's favorite and me. It's a cocoa cream mosaic cookies.
Hmm.
Mm-hmm.
Interesting.
like yeah. Oh, look at
Don't touch
that. Yeah.
Oh, it's
It
meant
just
for
looks like a
it's
cookie.
meant for us. 4.
All right.
It looks like the
Yeah,
It's a pinwheel.
pepperoni.
All right, ready?
ready?
1, 2, 3.
Mmm.
Mmm,
Mmm.
I love it. That is good.
Real good.
Mm-hmm.
I don't want to finish this. I don't want to finish it. I'm gonna take.
Just eat it, guys. You're not wasting it. Eating, we still got.
All right. Next one is this Otto nuts. Otto nuts. That sounds like Japanese. See, look at
Otto.
Jaylin. Do you
Yellow-
like it? Do you like
Yellow chickpeas is what they are.
it? Huh?
Yellow chickpeas.
Peas.
Peas. Yeah.
Chickpeas.
Form of
Oh, a
nuts.
peas? I don't eat peas.
It's not a
The
pea.
green peas?
No, it's a form of nut.
Oh, okay. It looks like a cornic.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. It's gonna probably be like a cornet.
Okay. Ready?
1, 2, 3.
It is a peas.
It's not pea.
Eh. I don't like it. It's dry.
It is way dry. Yeah. That is like.
Ugh, give me the drink. This is so dry.
Yeah. It's like a healthy snack.
Ugh. No. Nope. Thumbs down.
I'll never eat that.
Me
Oh.
too.
Oh. At least it's in the syllable box. I mean, I would
Yeah.
probably finish it off just as a
I wish
snack.
everything is in the syllable box.
I know. That's.
Okay. All right. Next is this one. Snowball. What?
A snowball.
It's a coconut and
It
coffee
looks like
snowball
coconut.
cake.
It looks like snow.
Uh-huh. That's
Oh
why it's
my
called
good
snowball.
Oh, and this is chocolate. And this
Yeah.
No.
is what is it? Oh,
That looks like a big snowball. A dirty snowball, but it's snowball.
Oh,
It's like a.
yeah.
Ooh, my goodness.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. No, just use the same.
I was going to.
I don't like it. I never that eat it. Yeah, this is chocolate, and I will not.
Yeah, JT don't eat
Wow, you can
chocolate.
smell the coffee.
And I don't like
So,
coffee.
Oh yeah, it's like a.
Can I smell?
It's like a mocha.
yeah, you can smell the coffee. So, all right.
Me, just a little
I
bit.
don't like coffee.
No, that's too big.
Oh, you know
That
what
one-
I like?
I'm just take it, April.
Mm.
It's not a small piece.
I don't want it. I'm not that eat it.
Alright, cool. Alright. Alright, next one is looks like this one.
Well, the snowball
A
is good.
gummy jelly gum. Oh, look at the faces of the two.
Let me
Gummies.
See. Let me see.
Someone likes
I wanna
gummies. See?
I want to see it.
It's watermelon.
Ooh.
I want to see it. Daddy, I want to see it.
If I could open it up.
Well, you need to open it up for us.
No.
It looks like gummies I love.
Ah,
Green.
sugar.
Sugar.
All right.
I love sugar.
It's like little watermelons.
Mm-hmm. Oh, for Kuya. Oh, for Ate.
Oh, it smells like watermelon.
Ouch.
All
Yeah,
right.
it smells like.
Ready?
1, 2, 3.
Mmm. It tastes like watermelon.
Oh,
Mmm.
mm.
That's
I
good.
like that.
I do like it.
Of course.
I like it because it's not like sugary sweet,
Yeah,
but it has
that's
good.
good.
flavor. That's
That's
definitely
good.
a nice snack. Mm,
Mmm.
that's definitely good. Eat it completely.
Mm.
So
Alright, next is the Tofix.
probably some type of.
Yeah, we're not opening the whole thing. We're just gonna.
I'll take a bite out
Yeah,
of this.
you
'Cause
just
this
take
is
a
probably
bite.
like taffy.
Yeah. You like the gummy?
Yeah.
Kuya,
I
you
like
like the
the-
gummy?
Mommy.
Your face like that.
Oh my god! I was not expecting that.
What is that?
Mommy.
Sour?
It's not sour. It's almost like a pickle flavor,
Oh. Ugh. Oh, I'm glad I did taste it.
but it's not. I mean, it's not pickle, but it's like.
And this smell like
You don't like it.
this smell like watermelon.
Alright, next is
That's
the...
just the weirdest.
Alright, this one is a melon. Mellow.
Oh man, I hope this
Melon
is.
and... Oh, it's a melon and lime.
Oh, that's
Okay.
Be
We'll see
interesting.
about that.
I don't know what flavor that was. I mean, that was just horrible. Oh my god, that was not so. I mean,
I'm biting this to my teeth.
Huh.
slight flavor. You can taste the lime, I guess.
Oh, yeah.
Mommy, you always love
Yeah.
Alright, we got a drink break. Next on the list, which is list nuts. Oh my gosh, it's a hot paprika. I'm not tasting it. I pass on that.
me too.
It's a spicy one, so I'm not gonna taste
I
it.
don't like spicy.
Yeah. Smell it first and see if it's... No?
Smells like barbecue.
Really?
Barbecue? I love barbecue.
You don't love barbecue. You don't even eat barbecue.
I
Yes.
love barbecue.
Just try. I'm not.
It's small. All right.
Ready?
1, 2, 3.
Yum, 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 yum,
What is it?
yum, 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 yum.
That's really a good flavor. Yeah, it's not hot and spicy. I mean, there's spice, but not like, oh my god, that's hot.
That's...
Spice.
Oh. It's an aftertaste.
It's an aftertaste, but it's not like a harsh spice.
You're gonna like that because you like cornic.
Yeah, I love this. This reminds me of the Philippines.
Mm-hmm. Like the boy bawang.
Uh-huh.
All right. I need drink. I know. That's what I'm saying. Is there's an aftertaste.
Mm.
Next is the date. That one. That looks like prune.
It's not a prune, it's a date.
like a
It's like Fig Newtons here in the United States.
The what?
It's like a Fig Newton.
I don't know that.
It's
Okay.
a Newton
Kuya, can you
cookie.
get my phone, please? It's right there.
I don't
right
know about these.
That looks
Daddy,
so
only
nice. Let me
I
see.
like these.
Okay.
Yeah, that's basically what it is.
Don't throw the box.
Is a Fig Newton.
Thank you.
Oh, wow.
No.
What do you mean no?
Half. Only half.
Half. Wow. Whoa.
There.
It didn't make it.
Y'all want a face?
No. No.
All right.
Ready?
Yep.
All right.
Oh, I like
Yeah, this is what Fig Newtons look like here in the United States. So,
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Mommy. Daddy.
It's okay. It's pretty good. Kids, you need to try it. It's good. But put it in the half.
I don't want one.
That's good.
I don't want one.
Kind of reminds me of hopia.
The bird cat.
Oh, that's good.
Well, I want these. Daddy, only I like these.
Okay.
How is it, Kuya? Good. All right. Next is the ice cream gummy. Show it to them.
They're little,
Bebeto.
look like ice cream.
Let me see. Bebeto or Bibito, whatever.
Bebito.
Oh,
Bibito.
Alright, Bebeto.
Baba.
Ice cream gummy. So it's a gummy, but it's in form of ice cream. If Daddy can.
It smells like ice cream.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Let me smell.
Put it in the
I
camera.
mean-
Like camera, people couldn't smell it.
Oh yeah. Oh my gosh.
Can I
Smells
smell
good.
now?
All right.
What? Oh, that's cute.
I will eat it.
I want to pick. Reminds me of something, but okay.
April,
want
this is a
pink.
family
I
channel.
want the pink one. Wow.
Get your mind out of your gut.
You get a 3 scoop. Wow.
I wonder what
Okay.
flavors they
I
are.
want the white one.
All right.
It's so greasy.
Alright.
Mm.
Ready? We already eat it. 1, 2, 3.
Yum, 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 yum.
Fruit juices. Made with fruit juices.
Yeah, I like it.
That's good.
Mm. Yeah. Did you even eat it?
I don't like it.
It's a gummy.
It's good.
And I smell it. I don't like it.
Whatever.
JT won't eat it.
You can eat that. Okay, next, second to the last is the pop out, which is so weird because it's a honey, mustard, and onion,
When I
corn
eat
and
them,
rice. Okay, we'll see
I
this one.
don't. I don't white onion.
Corn and rice. So it's basically like probably a rice cake type.
I almost blow up.
Like a cracker.
You don't like the?
I don't
No.
like the onion.
No. Oh, yeah. Well, I guess I'm the only one that's gonna eat this. So
Try it. Mm.
What is that face?
it's not bad at all. It's really good, but it's just so weird because it's like eating a rice cake. So when you're eating it, it's like air, but then with flavor.
Okay.
You know, it's kind of. I mean, it's definitely. You could taste the mustard in it,
We just
Oh.
but the onion not really.
Okay, good.
no.
Actually, reminds me of steak sauce.
Spicy sauce again. Alright, last is the orange and cocoa cookie.
What? Coca.
I have no idea, but this thing is huge.
Alright.
I don't like it.
Have you tried it? Next time you're not gonna be in the video if you're not trying it at all.
Okay, so they are little cookies. Okay.
I'm full.
Me too. Apple.
Alright,
Imagine
Daddy.
So Daddy has to try it.
I mean, maybe Jalen would like it.
Jalen likes anything. You want a cookie? You want a cookie? She's like, I want that. All right, so little looks like sprinkles on it. So
I want to smell. I want to go. Mommy, I want to
Good.
yeah,
Really? Give me half.
yeah. I mean,
It's hot.
Daddy, I want to smell
Look at
it.
her. You are like a snake ready to attack. Ayan, the other one. The other one is smaller.
quick, you're gonna make a mess.
All right.
Here, eat your gummies.
I ate them later. I'll eat them.
Look at that.
I'll eat them.
Look at that. Munching it, everything. Every single bite. You like it?
Hey, Chuck, Chuck.
Good? I knew you were gonna like
I
that.
need more watermelon.
Alright. Which one is your top favorite and
I just
least
ate
favorite?
all.
I'd say my favorites are the chips. Are more of my favorite. I
Mine
mean,
is a gummy.
even the corn and rice
Yeah, mine
is something I would eat and snack on.
Okay.
So
I think this
these are
one is
really
for me.
good. It's just, man, you put a lot of them in your mouth, it's
It's
gonna
enough.
set your mouth on fire.
Yeah.
So, yeah, it's one that you just don't get a big old handful and just chow down.
Yeah.
Well,
And your least favorite?
My least favorite was that one candy. I don't know what flavor that was, but that was definitely. Oh. Oh. Yeah, it looks like the kids like the gummies.
Yeah. And this one, you like everything, no?
Yeah, she like yin yang.
Like everything.
The big news.
This is mine. I like this. All right.
All right, guys. So that was another unboxing of our Yum Yum Universal Yum Yum box. It's a monthly subscription, as you all can tell in the previous videos. This one came from Turkey, so kind of nice to get a little bit further away from the European countries. It seems like we've been getting a lot of European countries, so and the worst is, you know, you get a lot of the just like candy bars and chocolates. So this actually was pretty good. Didn't have a lot of your chocolates in it. So, but if you like this video, give us a thumbs up, click that notification bell and subscribe button if you're new to the channel. Please always leave me a message if you can. I really appreciate it. That's how I get back to you guys and follow y'all's channels through y'all's comments. Just remember our schedule. Monday we always upload new videos. Tuesday is TikTok Tuesday. Wednesday is going to always be a short video. Thursday will be a throwback video, and then Fridays we'll try to get back into doing some live streams. Just been dealing with some family health issues with my father, so it's been kind of rough to do live stream with kids and April working. So, but guys, I appreciate it. We always appreciate y'all's support, and stay tuned for more. Take care. Bye bye.